Businesses try to provide distinctive and memorable experiences for their customers in the ever-changing world of retail. One critical component of accomplishing this is through a customized interface that reflects their brand identity and resonates with their target audience. Shopify POS, the leading point-of-sale solution, understands the value of a personalized touch. Shopify's customized interface enables businesses to design a shopping experience that exactly corresponds with their brand image, increases customer engagement, and supports a flawless transaction procedure. In this video, we will look at the relevance and benefits of a configurable interface in Shopify POS. The importance of branding. A recognizable and consistent brand identity is critical in attracting clients and distinguishing a business from its competition. The customized interface of Shopify POS gives retailers a great tool for infusing their brand components into every area of the point-of-sale experience. Businesses may customize the interface with everything from color schemes and fonts to logos and background pictures to represent their own brand persona. Retailers may provide a unified and engaging shopping experience for their customers by including consistent brand aspects throughout the interface. Customers get a sense of familiarity and trust when the interface matches the brand's visual identity, which improves their overall perception of the company. This, in turn, helps to develop a strong brand presence and fosters brand loyalty. Personalization for a better user experience. One-size-fits-all solutions frequently fail to match the different demands and preferences of retailers. Shopify POS tackles this issue by providing a customizable interface that allows businesses to customize their point-of-sale system to their individual needs. The option to customize the interface guarantees that businesses can optimize the user experience for both their employees and customers. Businesses can optimize their operations and maximize productivity by organizing the layout, menus, and features according to their workflows. This not only saves time but also reduces errors during transactions, resulting in a more seamless checkout procedure. Furthermore, the customizable interface allows organizations to prioritize the most important information and actions on the screen. Retailers can carefully display frequently used items, such as payment methods or promotions, in prominent areas for quick and easy access. This convenience increases worker productivity and reduces training time for new personnel. A customized interface improves the purchasing experience of customers by providing a familiar and intuitive interface. The aesthetic uniformity and seamless integration of brand aspects provide a sense of cohesion and professionalism. Customers are more satisfied and trusting of the brand as a result of this. Aesthetics and emotional connection. Humans are inherently drawn to visually beautiful places, and the same is true for retail space. The aesthetics of a store, both physical and digital, have a significant impact on customers' emotional attachment to the brand. With Shopify POS's customized interface, retailers can create an aesthetically beautiful environment that appeals to their target audience. The ability to combine aesthetically appealing imagery, fascinating designs, and appealing color schemes enables businesses to elicit specific emotions and improve the overall purchasing experience. A high-end fashion business, for example, can customize the interface to display opulent images, elegant typefaces, and a streamlined color palette, giving a sense of elegance and exclusivity. A vivid and lively interface with bold colors and amusing drawings, on the other hand, may be more appropriate for a children's toy store. Retailers may create a fascinating ambience that captivates and engages customers by aligning the interface with their desired emotional appeal. This emotional connection creates a lasting impression and enhances brand memory, encouraging customers to return to the business and become committed supporters.